Premier Classe La Ville Du Bois, a cozy retreat in La Ville Du Bois. Welcome to Premier Classe La Ville Du Bois, a charming one-star hotel nestled in the picturesque town of La Ville Du Bois, France. With its convenient location and comfortable accommodations, this hotel is the perfect choice for both business and leisure travelers seeking a relaxing getaway. As you step into the hotel, you will be greeted by a warm and inviting atmosphere. The friendly staff will ensure that your stay is as comfortable as possible, providing excellent service throughout your visit. With a total of 69 well-appointed rooms, you can choose from a variety of options to suit your needs. Check-in at Premier Classe La Ville Du Bois begins at 2 p.m., allowing you ample time to settle in and make yourself at home. The checkout time is until 12 p.m., giving you a leisurely morning to enjoy a delicious breakfast or prepare for your departure. Please note that while this hotel warmly welcomes your furry friends, there is a limit of one pet per room. So, you can bring along your beloved companion to share in the joy of your stay. Families traveling with children should take note of the hotel's child policy. While children are welcome, they may not stay free of charge. Additional charges may apply, ensuring that your little ones have a comfortable and enjoyable stay. Whether you are exploring the charming town of La Ville Du Bois or simply seeking a peaceful retreat, Premier Classe La Ville Du Bois offers a cozy haven for your stay. With its convenient check-in and check-out times, pet-friendly policy, and comfortable rooms, this hotel is the perfect choice for your next getaway. Relax and unwind at Premier Classe La Ville Du Bois Spa. Indulge in a world of relaxation and rejuvenation at Premier Classe La Ville Du Bois luxurious spa. Designed to provide a tranquil escape from the daily hustle and bustle, this spa offers a wide range of treatments and therapies to pamper your body and soul. Step into a serene oasis of calm as you enter the spa's soothing ambience. The expert therapists are dedicated to providing personalized experiences tailored to your specific needs. Choose from an array of massages, including Swedish, deep tissue, and hot stone, to melt away any tension and stress. For a truly indulgent experience, opt for one of the spa's signature treatments, such as a revitalizing facial or a body scrub that will leave your skin feeling silky smooth.